Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an Instagram post in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express. So I'm gonna click on this. Let's click on this. Before opening the Adobe Express, you have to create account on that. I have already created an account on the Adobe Express. Now simply what we have to do, you can search from here in the search all templates. You have to click here and you can search for the Instagram post, or if you want to click on this option, you can also do that. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the Instagram post. So let's see. So as you can see, after clicking on this, here's the option for the ad. So we have to click on the ad, and after clicking on the ad, as you can see, all the options are provided. What you want to add: text, design assets and photos. For example, I'm going to click on the design assets. Now you have to choose the asset, that which asset you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. Let's click on the add. As you can see, it's added. Now if you want to add the text, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on the done, and let's click on the done. And now if you want to change the color, you have to click on the color and then you need to choose the color. For example, now it's done. For example, I'm going to choose this one or this one again, and now I'm going to bake. And then if you want to add the text, you have to click on the add. Now choose the text, and now you have to write that what you want to add. For example, I want to add the leaves, and as you can see, now let's click on the right, and the leaves is added. And after doing this, as you can see, simply you have to click on this icon, and after clicking on this icon, you have to click on the image. Or if you want to download this without background, then you need to select the transparent images, and let's click on the download, and the image will be downloaded. So as you can see, now we have to click on the no thanks. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create an Instagram post in Adobe Express app. So see you guys in the next video.